Hi, this is Ken. How's everything going? I've been working on networking for more than 15 years, and I'm really keen to know more in areas like automation, infrastructure as code, which are quite hot these days. For my study, I prefer to learn by practicing since I can get really bored if I only read books. I also want to make videos to track my progress and thoughts during the time and also share them with other non-professional programs. I hope my videos can give some hints to you if you are stuck. I will try to include my thoughts of each practice and how I solve it and make each one 10 to 15 minutes now. And also English is my second language, so I hope I won't make too many mistakes during the video so you can enjoy whatever I'm trying to do. For choosing the source of practices, I picked up Codewars after googling around, so this series will only focus on the practices on it. Without further ado, let's get started. So after you open the website, you will see this nice web page. The first thing you want to do is to just choose the language you want to use during the practices. For me, in this video, I will choose Python as my main practice language. So here, let's click this language, and you will see the first question, which is to fix the problem of this function. I think this is quite straightforward if you have some basic ideas of Python. So here, what is missing is this return keyword, and let's put it in and try to submit. Cool. So now we can actually create an account for us on this website. So there are two ways. One is to link your GitHub account if you have one to log in Codewars, or you can put your email, username, and a password to create one. For me, I will link my GitHub account since I already have one. Cool. Now we see the dashboard after logging. So here I will choose junior developer. Well, since I don't really have any project experiences, and then probably not too many newsletters. And save. Now we can see the first question in front of us. In my coming videos, I will try to solve practices or questions, if you like to say, on this website and try to make videos, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes each time to track my ideas of it. So hope you enjoy my video and see you next time.